3, 2, 1, lift off.
So the G, Kyle the ringer is in the belfry, ringing up Ampolisali, a mastermind of campanology, KTR Kyle the ringer.
What's here? Today it sounds like at this old Marks and Spencer's in Barrow, it sounds like there's a fire alarm going off inside. So I thought while I'm on my way to Dad the Ringers and I'm passing, I'll film this bit, see what I'm on about. It might be the security alarm, but it sounds like there's a fire alarm going off. Let's go to the other side. Well, we'll see. You can still eat from out here, but that's definitely not a security alarm. That is definitely a fire alarm that's going off. Yeah, that's definitely a fire alarm going off, so I'm gonna have to get someone who knows about this building, so I'm gonna end it for this vid. So if you enjoyed hearing this, what I think is a fire alarm going off at this old Marks and Spencer's, then please subscribe for future content. Until next time, ring out.
Check it out.
Thank you. You have been watching Kyle the Ringer. Please ring subscribe for future content.